How to use UpCounsel corporate contracts properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. UpCounsel connects businesses with top lawyers for contracts, but beginners often make mistakes that can lead to unclear terms, misobligations, or legal disputes. The first mistake is providing incomplete information. Lawyers need context, company structure, transaction details, and goals. Omitting critical information can lead to gaps or unnecessary clauses. Another common error is not reviewing drafts thoroughly. Even small errors, ambiguous language, or missing terms can create confusion or liability. Read every clause carefully before signing. Many users skip negotiating terms. UpCounsel allows businesses to work with attorneys to tailor contracts. Accepting a template without discussion can leave your company exposed. Neglecting to confirm legal compliance is another pitfall. Contracts must follow state, federal, and industry regulations. Verify your lawyer includes required clauses and legal safeguards. Finally, some assume contracts are one-time solutions. Business needs evolve and contracts may require amendments or updates. Set reminders to review and revise agreements when circumstances change. To use UpCounsel corporate contracts properly, provide complete information, review drafts carefully, negotiate terms, ensure compliance, and update contracts as needed. Avoid these mistakes and your contracts will protect your business effectively.